Hello everyone, practice set 1.4. Okay, now in this, the first question is the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3 is to 5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Okay. Now for that we'll consider, let the corresponding sides of two triangle be S1 and S2. The areas of two triangles will be A1 and A2. Now S1 is to S2, it is given 3 is to 5. Okay. Now according to two similar triangles, according to the theorem of areas of similar triangle, according to the theorem of area of similar triangles is equal to what? A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Now A1 upon A2 is equal to, now S1 is given 3, 8 square, and S2 is given 5, so 8 square. So therefore A1 upon A2 will be equal to 9 upon 25. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is, therefore the ratio of the areas of two triangle is 9 is to 25. Okay, 9 is to 25. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is what? The activity. Okay, so we'll solve the activity in the textbook only. Now see what is given. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and AB is to PQ is equal to 2 is to 3, then fill in the blanks. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square. See, AB square, so it will be PQ square, which is given 2 square upon 3 square, means the area of triangle ABC is 4 and area of triangle PQR is 9. Okay, now third also activity, so that also will solve in textbook only. Question number 3, if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC is 80 and area of triangle PQR is 125, then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, which is equal to 80 by 125. Now 80 upon 125, therefore AB upon PQ we have to find out. So this 80 will divide by 5's table, which will be equal to 80 divided by 125 is equal to 16 upon 25, means 5 16s are 25 and 5 25 5s are 125. So now 16 is a square of 4 and 25 is a square of 5. Therefore AB upon PQ will be 4 by 5. Okay, now this is example number 3. Now example number 4 we will see. Example number 4. Question number 4. Now question number 4 is triangle LMN similar to triangle PQR. and 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. We have to find MN. Now what is given here? Given is area triangle LM, triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Okay, and QR is given, and QR is equal to 20. MN is equal to question mark. Okay, so what we will do is area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR, which is equal to 9 upon 16. Okay, now it is given, so we'll write this as 1. This will write equation as 1. Now this is given area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. Its ratio is given 9 upon 16. Now we know the theorem of areas of similar triangle. Now what we'll write? According to theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay, that is what area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to LM square, but here what is given? QR is given. Okay, so and MN. So what we will write? MN square upon QR square. Okay, MN square upon QR square. Now here this ratio is given, areas ratio is given 9 upon 16, and MN we have to find, so we have to keep it as it is, MN square upon QR is given 20, so 20 square. Now what we will do it? MN square is equal to 9 into 20 square upon 16. Okay, 9 into 20 upon 16, MN square. So MN will be what? Taking square root, if you will do it, MN will be equal to what? 9 is the square of 3. 20 square will get cancelled. It will remain as it is. And 4. 16 square. 4 square is 16. So 4. So now see, 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. Therefore, MN is equal to 3 fives are 15. Therefore, MN is equal to 15. Okay, is that clear? Now, we'll see the fifth example. We'll see fifth example. Example number 5. Question number 5 is, areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If the side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find corresponding side of the bigger triangle. Okay, so what we will consider, let the areas of two similar triangles be. Question number 5. Let areas of two similar triangles be A1 and A2. Okay, areas of two similar triangles be A1 and A2. Therefore, the corresponding sides of similar triangle is equal to S1 and S2. Okay, S1 and S2. Now, A1 upon A2 is given 225 upon 81. 225 upon 81. Now, side of a smaller triangle is given. Okay, side of smaller triangle is given is given 12. If the side of the smaller triangle is 12, then find the side of the bigger triangle. So S1 is equal to smaller triangle, means 12 centimeter. Okay, so it will be according to or you can write by theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. What? A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Okay. Now here area of this bigger triangle is given smaller. A1 is given, area is given bigger, and A2's area is given smaller. So okay, so we will write this S2 as 12 and S1 we have to find out. S1 is equal to question mark. So 225 upon 81 is equal to S1 square upon S2. S2 means 12 square. Okay. Now what we will do it, this S1 square is equal to 225 into 12 square upon 81. Now taking square root, so S1 will be equal to what? 15 square into 12 upon 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are and 3 4s are 12. Therefore S1 is equal to 5 4s are 20. Therefore S1 side of 20. Therefore the side of the bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB is equal to 4, find DE. Okay, so here what is given? What is given? Areas of the ratio of the areas of the two triangle is given. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1:2. AB is equal to 4. PQ it is not given, it is given DEF. It is given DEF. It is DEF. So DE we have to find out. DE we have to find out. So we know by theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay, by theorem of areas of similar triangle is equal to area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. Okay, now this ratio is given 1/2 is equal to AB's measure is given 4 upon DE. So DE square is equal to 4 square into 2. 4 square into 2. Therefore DE is equal to now 4 square is of 2 square and this under root 2. 4 square means it is a 4 square is 16. So it will be 4 under root 2. Okay, DE will be equal to 4 under root 2. Okay. Therefore, DE will be equal to 4 under root 2. Now, the seventh one is the activity. Now, let's see how to solve the seventh one activity. Now, here see this, it is given DF is equal to, now DF means this DF. Okay, that is what? DP plus PF, and it is given PF, this DP is x and PF is 2x, so it will be 3x, and angle FDE is congruent to angle FPQ, that is corresponding angles, and angle FED congruent to angle FQB, that is also corresponding angle. Okay, as these two triangles are similar by AA test, we can take the area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ is equal to FD square upon DE square, FD square upon FP square. So this is P, which is equal to 3x square upon 2x square, means it is 9/4. Now here area of triangle FD is equal to 9/4 area of triangle FPQ, which is equal to 9/4, and this area is 20. It is given in question. Therefore 4 ones and 4 fives are, means 9 fives are 45. That will be the area of triangle FDE. Now they were asked to find out the area of quadrilateral DPQE. This quadrilateral's area you have to find out. So what you have to do it? Area of bigger triangle minus area of smaller triangle. So area of FDE minus area of triangle FPQ. You will get 45 minus 20, which is 25. Okay, with this we have completed this exercise practice set for 1.4. Now you have to complete this in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.